Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a trio of orchid arrangements, perfect one at a time, two, or three. Taking our cue from Mother Nature, we're going to work with a complementary color harmony. So the basis is the beautiful Cymbidium orchids. Now I don't want the whole stem, so I'll take them off, using them one at a time, and then to get them into a great water source, using a small water tube, just giving it a cut so the hole's big enough, and setting it down in, and that way we can design with them just like so. Then mini carnations, roses, green trick dianthus, and Dusty Miller. Now Dusty Miller is a little tricky. If you don't know how to work with it, check out our YouTube channel for helpful hints with Dusty Miller. Once you have your container filled with floral foam, all pre-soaked with flower food, then you can go back and add in your orchids. You can see the tube just goes in nicely, allowing you to place them with ease. Once you have your orchids in place, then it's easy. Just tuck all the other blooms down low, right against the base of the foam. So Freedom roses, peeking out from underneath. Miniature carnations, tucked together. Bringing in some color contrast with spray roses. Possibly a Galix leaf or two. Helps to break the line of the container and conceal the foam. Then for a little bit of interest, terracing, one over the other. As you finish, turn each arrangement. Look for holes, look for areas that maybe aren't quite as beautiful as others, adding in a green trick, finding another hole over here, adding in another, making sure you break the line of the container, get your texture, all the mechanics covered, and then coming back with individual stems of Dusty Miller, tucking it in, adding that little bit of texture that makes it super special. Now when you look, they're beautiful designs, but they're so simple. Just in each one, 2 Cymbidiums, 2 roses, 2 stems of spray roses, 2 green trick, and 2 Dusty Miller leaves. So going in duos, 2 pieces in each, and the trio is fabulous. These designs can be sold one at a time for someone on a budget. Or if they want to go a little bigger and more fabulous, buy all 3. Now you noticed I used the Dusty Miller, and I know I will be getting questions. How do you do that in foam? Check out the YouTube channel and you'll learn the trick for backing to make them alive fabulously for a very long time. For more creative inspiration, check out our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there or pick up the telephone at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create? Take a picture, post it on social media, and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see your creativity as you do something you love.